Take a ride in the 2019 Veloster. The Veloster's innovative body style and unique design make it unlike any other small car out there. Pair that with a fuel efficiency that pushes the 40 miles per gallon barrier, and you've got one sweet ride, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, Bluetooth, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. Your new ride is just a phone call away.